opening of the International Defense Exhibition in Turkey, Istanbul. For the first time, Army Recognition is official media partner for this event. At IDEF, there is more than 800 exhibitors from 135 countries. It is a very important event in the world to show latest innovation and technology of the defense industry of Turkey. Today we will focus to the defense and security industry of Turkey with the new product showed at IDEF 2017.
Aselsan is the biggest defense company of Turkey actually. Its main activities are separated a lot. Actually there are a lot of activities it has. Aselsan does everything in Turkey actually. I am from sector of gun systems. Yeah, I am dealing with air defense systems mainly, but I am responsible for 35mm systems also. Tufan is actually a prototype, actually not a prototype, concept prototype. It depicts us actually our target for electromagnetic gun system actually. It's our concept system. We are planning to develop this system in 4 years time. We will have that system for air defense purposes and also artillery purposes, both for ground forces and marine systems. It's an electromagnetic gun system, electromagnetic railgun actually. You don't use propellant for gun actually. You have rails and you switch on some current actually over the armature of the ammunition, and ammunition gets its speed and gets out of the rail actually. Its advantages, main advantages is muzzle velocity is very high, and so the ammunition can go much longer distances. It's actually new generation infantry fighting vehicle actually. It has a light armored 35mm turret with a lot of new features, new generation features. It has a 35mm gun. It's produced in Turkey by MİLLİ, and it has the capability of firing airburst ammunition, 35mm airburst ammunition, which is also designed by Aselsan. It is actually small brother of Korkut system, Korkut air defense system. It has common actually subsystems and common performance parameters together with Korkut system. It is called Korhan. It has the capability of firing airburst ammunition. It has capability of firing other types of 35mm ammunition. You can change the ammunition. You can have the option to change the ammunition before firing. You can load two types of ammunition at the same time, and you can change while firing. It has a lot of new features, like it has panoramic sight around the turret. It has a laser warning system, sniper detection system. It's an unmanned turret. It has add-on armor capability. If you don't put add-on armor, you have level 2. If you put, you have level 4. And one another important feature, it has a mini UAV, which is connected to the vehicle actually. You can explore around during the operation. There is a barrel support there for putting the barrel in stiff position, and for better firing performance, we have a barrel support. It's actually a cover over that barrel support.
This system is a completely robotic system. It has got some cameras in front. You can just interrogate the dangerous objects with a safe distance from the vehicle without getting out. And you can just record what's going on around. And you can make some small operations. You can just put the dangerous thing from one side to another side, or you can just cut the cable. Different types of attachment can be interchanged in the front. A cable cutter, a digger, and something to dig the floor or the soil. Is just a completely hydraulic system. If enough hydraulic power is guaranteed from the vehicle, this can be easily implemented on lots of types of vehicles. Inside the vehicle, for the robotic arm, we have got a Windows-based control system, fully remote operated. You can just operate it from remotely from aboard, and an operator also can use it manually. You can see the camera vision, and you can have your joystick to move the arm, and you can have a video recorder to record the video. You can just identify it by yourself. It's not automatically identifiable. It can rotate 360, but you can see the masts behind the vehicle. Without hitting them, you can just do it 360 degrees. You have to be careful. The road position, the storage is on the top of the vehicle. It's going to be folded, and it's just going to stand still on the top of the vehicle.
Okay. Korkut is our brand new system. It's now in inventory actually. This is also Army system actually here. We borrowed it. It's our short range actually V-Shot system. It is based on 35mm guns actually and airburst ammunition. It has the capability of programming airburst ammunition to be effective against small and fast targets actually. You can fire against air-to-ground missiles by that way, with that airburst ammunition actually. It has a tracking radar, KU-1 tracking radar on the top, together with thermal imager and video tracking systems actually. You can get the acquisition from other system which is called command post actually. You can connect 3 gun systems to 1 command post. Command post has an acquisition radar. It detects the target, it has the air picture, it makes the air picture and it distributes that air picture with a wireless network to the gun systems. And it also assigns, the platoon commander is also located in that command post, and it assigns targets to each gun system. It is possible to assign more than 1 gun system to 1 target actually. The system is highly mobile. It has the amphibious capability. It's amphibious vehicle. It has firing on the move capability also. It's a new generation V-Shot system of Turkish Army, which is in inventory. 3 gun systems are connected, wirelessly connected to 1 command post. The detection range for command post is instrumental range is 40 kilometers, around 40 kilometers. But for fighter it's 20 kilometers. Acquisition radar can track targets depending on the type of the target up to 20 kilometers. For a typical target it's 10 to 15 kilometers actually. The gun has the effective range of 4 kilometers for air defense. But the ammunition can go up to 12 kilometers.
We have developed all electronics, electro-optics, electromechanics for Leopard 2A4. We replaced all the old systems and integrated new systems. First of all, fire control system has been developed. By the way, I should say before that, all the subsystems integrated on Leopard 2A4 platform are developed for Altay project before that.
Okay.
And after that, we have opportunity to integrate it to Leopard 2A4 platform and test it on field. And we have achieved good results for that platform. We have integrated fire control system, including commander and gunner sight, remote weapon station, laser warning receiver systems, electrical gun and turret drives, driver side system, and command control information system, including tactical radios and intercommunication system, fire suppression system and auxiliary power unit, and also additional armors for top and sides and mine protection for the bottom side. Yes, for hull, top protection, and for the turret you can see side armors. And also for the hull, front armor, side skirts, and cage protection at the back. Protection level at the front, you know, is very strong for the tanks because the main threat comes from directly to your side, and that's why it's already protected. To improve the protection at the back, without increasing too much weight. We have installed cage armor to protect against shape charge. We made analysis of that. We have improved some items that needs to be developed after increasing that weight. For example, braking capability. But for the motor, it won't be any effect that will make the engine insufficient for the mobility performance.